If you told me that it was possible to make $11,799 in under 7 days with an 8-second long video on TikTok in 2024 right now, I would call you crazy. And I did for a long time. I did not believe any of that until I saw examples like the one that I'm going to run through in this video. Let me show you. So if we look at this example right now, and I'm on Kalo Data right now, in order to get to the page that I'm at, I've just gone into the video tab from the main home website here. And I like looking at examples of creators that are relatively small, that are absolutely crushing it as TikTok Shop affiliates. If you want to check out Kalo Data, I've left a link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. I believe they do a free trial as well, so you can play around with it. Let's talk about the product that they're promoting first. So this product is a t-shirt that is inspired by Post Malone and this guy called Morgan, based on a song that they did together called I Had Some Help. And it's really that simple. Someone's gone ahead, made the shirt, stuck them images on it, and they've gone ahead and started selling this as a TikTok Shop product. There's clearly some kind of wave that's going on at the moment on the back of the song. I know the song has been released not long ago. This is based on a trend with this song having recently come out, and as you can see, some people are capitalizing on it. Now this creator, after discovering this product on TikTok Shop, they then started promoting it by releasing this video, which brings us to the next portion of this video. So the video that they've done, I'm just going to play it here a little bit. You probably won't hear it because it's got some copyrighted music on it. A 8-second long video, just take that in. It's an 8-second long video that they've created, which has generated them 78,664 in under 7 days. And we're going to talk about the commission as well a bit later on in the video. So I'm just going to play the videos just so you can get an idea of how ridiculously simple this is. And I'm going to mute it again for copyright reasons. And that is literally it. It's just a clip of Post Malone and Morgan performing the song live. Someone that's clearly got the t-shirt in the background, taking a video of it. So they have actually got the product, which is obviously, a good sign and a good indicator to the TikTok Shop affiliate algorithm that they are genuinely promoting something that they've got. No talking in the video, nothing complicated, no complicated effects, nothing over the top, no complicated editing, no long discussions about anything, really something that's literally took them, at the most, I would say this took them about 10 minutes to make, because all you need is just someone that's wearing the t-shirt. You've got a clip of these people that are performing, and you've literally got just a huge caption at the top of the video, and the caption says, "Sorry to anyone that got the Posty and Morgan shirt, because it's 70% off with free shipping." Is going to really make people feel a certain kind of way that have already bought the shirt without actually having bought it through this person's profile here, because clearly it's at a ridiculously low price at the moment. There's some kind of deal or whatever that's been running there. Again, ridiculous 8 seconds long video, and they generated this amount of money. As you can see, really simple video to make. Probably took them, as I say, a couple of minutes, and posted the video, and that was done. There was no advertising push on the video, as you can see here on Kalo Data. Just organic traffic that the video was exposed to. Now, in terms of the creator themselves, they've only got just over 7K followers. So again, you don't have to be massive to make a ton of money as a TikTok Shop affiliate. There's creators that have got even less than this, which I can guarantee you are probably making much more than this as affiliates. There's creators that are toe-to-toe with, creators that have 1 million followers, someone that's got 10K followers that's making the same, if not more, as an affiliate. And they're, of course, based in the United States, as you can see at the top there. So if you are thinking that the ban is stopping people from making as much money as they can before it kicks in, if it will kick in, if you're letting the hype distract you, there's people that are glad you feel that way because there's more opportunity for them. Now let's talk about the amount of money that they made from this video as well. So again, the revenue in pounds, 61,760. In dollars, the current conversion rate is 1.27. So in dollars, that's in the US dollars, that's working out at 78,660 in terms of how much revenue they've driven for this shop. Now, obviously, we know that commission is not revenue. Revenue is the overall figure that's been bought in the last 7 days, but commission is what the creator is going to take home. So how much did they take home on the back of this affiliate video and all this revenue. Now we're going to look at another tool that I like to use called Shop Plus. I've linked it in the description as well if you want to play around with it, and I've got a discount for people that want to try it out for the first time. And I've gone on to product search and I've searched Posty and Morgan Had Some Help t-shirt, which I believe is what the product is called, and this is what has come up on here. Now, in terms of finding out how much commission the product offers, as you can see that it's 15% commission. And if I go into click on the actual product as well, you can also see how many people are promoting this t-shirt right now. So it's not just a few people. All these people are basically just making money promoting this shirt. You can see there, that's another creator that's absolutely milking it. They've only got just over 2K followers in the US. They've got an 18-second video and they've generated 45,000 in revenue in just the last few days. You've got a couple of others here as well, so a bunch of other examples. Now again, the commission is 15%, so if we go back to Kalo data here and look at 15% of 78,664 in dollars, which is a conversion of that pound amount. So let's work that out together. 78,664. We're meant to be multiplying it by 15%, aren't we? So we can work out the commission. And there we go. So that's how much this creator took home. They took home 11,799 in commission. So this is not what the shop made. This is not what TikTok made. This is what the creator was able to withdraw on the back of these transactions here in commissions. Now, again, what I always like to say when it comes to TikTok Shop affiliate, this 15% is what's standard for everyone. This is commission that's being offered for everyone that's deciding to promote this t-shirt. However, there's no guarantee that this creator had that commission. It could have been higher, because the more you sell, the more the shop is likely to raise your commission, because they want you to continue selling. They want you to continue with that momentum. They want to make as many sales as possible. So what TikTok Shop affiliates would usually do is up the commission to encourage you. So they'll, double it from 15 to 30%. They'll make it sometimes even up to 40%. I've seen examples where creators are making 50% on commission and they're basically making six figures, because all the shops care about is just getting as many sales as possible, getting as many reviews as possible. What that's then going to do is allow them to easily sell all of their catalog of products, not just this shirt, everything else they're selling in that shop very easily, because they can easily show customers and say, look, this is how many sales we've got, this is how many reviews we've got. It just helps them sell a whole lot easier and a whole lot more. So it's nothing to these shops to just up commission. So my point here is this $11,799 it could have been double that they've made. It could have been 23,000. It could have been even more than that, depending on what commission they got. Now unfortunately we can't see how much commission they would have gotten exactly, but we know that it's above this, because this is the minimum commission that they would have received. Now if the shop decided to change that or amend it, again, it would have been between them and that creator. So it's not something that we're able to see unless the creator comes out one day and says, look, this is how much I made and this is how much commission I made and I got from the shop. Absolutely crazy stuff. And if you think the opportunity is gone to become a TikTok Shop affiliate in the USA before the ban kicks in, case in point, if anything, this is the best time now. TikTok will be pushing US affiliates to make as much money as possible, because they are making a point to the US government that they are in support of US citizens and US shops, and they are making them as much money as possible, and that it's a mistake for TikTok to be banned from the US, because it's going to hurt US citizens and businesses that much. So if I were you, if I was based in the USA, which I'm not, I would strongly consider jumping in if it's something that you are interested in.